Hello children, welcome back. This is the first module of new lesson. Second lesson is the large number. But a large number, where we are using a large number, whenever we have to know the population of big cities. There is a large population, that time we have to require the large number. Suppose the population of Delhi, it is in crore or million. That time we are using a large number. So in this module we will learn how to read and write the number up to 9 and 10 digits. So let's start. In this lesson we will learn place value and expanded form, comparing and ordering numbers, forming smallest and greatest number, international system of writing number. So let's start. First is reading and writing numbers up to 9 digits. Before that, just we have quick review of a previous lesson. So numbers, where you are using numbers? By counting the things or to do the calculation, these numbers we require. So after that there is a digits. You know the digits. These are the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Using this digit we can form a numbers. Then place value. The place value, the particular number has particular place value. You know these are the places according to Indian system. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. In ones place we have 5, tens place we have 7, 100 place we have 9 and 1000 place we have 4. How to write the place value of particular digit? So here first arrow 4 is on 1000 place. So 4 multiplied by 1000, its place value is 4000. Next is in 100 place we have a 9. So 9 multiplied by 100, because 9 is on 100 place. Its place value is 900. Next is 7. We have a 7. It is on tens place. So 7 multiplied by 10. Its place value is 70, because 7 is on tens place. And first digit 5 is on ones place. So 5 multiplied by 1. Its place value is 5. Already we discussed in a previous lesson looking back. So this is the way we have to find the place value of each digit. Next is, what is the face value? Face value is the digit itself. Whatever digit is, that is the face value of that particular digit. Here, same number, we have 4 digit number. The face value of this 4 is 4. What is the face value of 9? Its face value is 9. Face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 7 is 7. And last is the face value of 5 is 5. The face value means the digit itself. So this is the face value and place value we learn in a looking back lesson. After that, the smallest and greatest number. Here is we have smallest 8 digit number. Let's start. Is it 8 digits? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8 digit smallest number. When we add 1 to the greatest 7 digit number, let's try. It is a 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the greatest 7 digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest 7 digit number, you will get smallest 8 digit number. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to put a comma according to Indian system. You know this, how to put a comma. First from right side 3 digits and then 2 digits. So this is a 10 crore. This is a crore period. This is a lakh period, 1000 period, and this is a ones period. So we have a 10 crore. 10 crore is a successor of, because it is a how many digit number? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9 digit number. 10 crore is the successor of the largest 8 digit number. That is the largest 8 digit number. This is the largest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. Next is, this is, I am going to put a comma. It is easy to read the number. This is 9 crore. This is crore period. This is lakh period. This is 1000 period and this is a ones period. So how to read this number? 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999 is the predecessor of of 10 crore. Okay. So after that, Indian numeral system. In the last module, last lesson, we learned Indian place value chart. There we learn how many periods are there, how many places are there, and how to represent the number in a place value chart. Here, how many periods are there? This is the first period, this is the second period, and this is third and fourth period. This number or this Indian place value chart divided into 4 periods. First is ones period, that is a ones period. This is the second period is the 1000 period. Third period is the lakh period. And the fourth period is the crore period. So here this is 38 is on crore place. So 38 crore 24 lakhs 5,765. So this number also we divided into 4 groups. This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group, and last is 700, and this is the fourth group. This number also divided into 4 groups. See, here is a 4 group, 1, 2, 3, 4. This number also written 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a way we have to write the large number in a words. Let us now represent 8 and 9 digit number using the Indian place value chart. So first we have to make a group. We have to divide this number in a group. This is the first group, this is the second group, this is the third group, and this is fourth group. So we divided this number in a 4 group. So that first is ones period, second is 1000 period, third is lakh period, and last is 43 is in crore period. So this number we divided into 4 groups. So this is the first group, 43 crore. This is 43 crore. 27 lakh. This is 27 lakh. 56,000. This is the third group, 56,819. This is the 4 groups. And how to put a comma according to Indian system? From right side 3 digit, then 2 digits. So it is easy to write the number and it is easy to read the number 9 digit or 10 digit number. also 4 periods are there. Same number we have written in a Indian place value chart. Same number, previous number. So here is a ones place. Here are 3 places are there. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. In a ones place we have 9. Tens place we have 1. 100 place we have 10. This is the first period. Now second period, it consists of 2 places. First 1000 place and 10,000 place. So it consists of 6 and 5. On 1000 place, its a digit is 6 and 10,000, its digit is 5. After that, lakh, it consists of 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. We have in a lakh period, we have a lakh place, we have 7 and 10 lakh, we have 2. After that, fourth period, there is a crore and 10 crore. In crore place, we have 3 and 10 crore place, we have 4. And according to this, we can write the place value of each digit using the Indian system of numeration. Write the number. This is the number we have. Once you have to check how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 digit number. We have to put the comma according to Indian system. Write the numeral days in standard form using the comma and leaving space. So 2 ways we have to write. We can write this number 2 ways. This is first way is, first I am going to write this number as it is. This is 4, 0, 5, 3, 2, 0, 1, 4, 0. Okay. This is the number, same number I copied. Next step is, we have to put a comma according to Indian system. So, first period, after 3 digits, you have to put a comma. Okay. Then, after 2 digits, you have to put a comma. This is 1000 period. This is a ones period, 1000 period. And this is lakh period. After this 2 digits, you have to put a comma. This is a way you have to put a comma according to Indian system. Then, next, how to leave the space. First 3 digits, 1, 4, 0. Then put a space for that. Then 20. Then 53. And this is last is 40. So there is a space after each period. See, this is the ones period. This is 1000 period. This is lakh period. And this is crore period. This is the way you have to write in 2 ways, using comma or leaving space. Next, write the numerals for each of the following numbers. It is given in a words. Number name is given. You have to write in a figure. So first we have 12 crore. This is the first group, 12 crore. Then 8 lakh. This is the second group. Then third group is 2095. Means this number we have to divide into 4 groups. So how to write? This is the first crore, lakh, 1000 and ones. In ones period there are 3 places are there, and remaining periods there are 2 places. This 12 crore. So here is a 12 crore. 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. There is 10 lakh is missing. So I need to put a 0 instead of 10 lakh. So this is a 8 lakh. Then 2000. Even 10,000 also missing. So I need to put a 0 and 2000. After that, last is 95. So here is also 100 place is missing. I need to put a 0 in 100 place and 95. This is a way we have to write the 9-digit number in a figure. Let's try one more example. Here 40 crore. 40 crore, this is the first group. And 600 70. Here are only 2 groups, but we need to write this number in a 4 group. How to write? Let's try. 40 crore. This is a crore period, lakh period, 1000 period, and this is a ones period. 40 crore. This is a 40 crore. Lakh period is missing. I need to put a 2 zeros. Then 1000 period is also missing. I need to put 2 zeros and 670. So in a ones period, I have to write 670 and put a comma according to Indian system. This is a way we have to write the 9-digit number in a figure. Hope you understood how to write and read the number in a according to Indian place value. This is a self practice for you. Here are 2 questions. Each question contains 3 problems. First, you need to put a comma according to Indian system and write its name according to Indian system. And there are some questions, some problems, the word it is written in a words or number name is given, you have to write this number name in a figures. Hope you understood. Take care. Be at home. Thank you.